Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Waken Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kucoin.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official KuCoin website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your phone number or your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now click on your user ID at the top right corner and click on account security. Now within the security menu, if you scroll all the way down, then you will see the delete account option. Click on the delete option and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Just read the instructions carefully and then click on I fully understand and agree to the above. Now click on delete account and you might be asked to enter your password and your verification code. After providing the confirmation with both of these, you will be logged out from your account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you log back in within 2 weeks, you might still be able to recover your account, but after that point, your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.